Hey guys, and welcome to this new video on my channel. Today we are going to talk about a plugin called Rave Generator. This plugin is not only just completely free, but it's also one of the, in my opinion, best sampler plugins for techno music at the moment. This plugin has almost every famous techno sound in history, and I will be going through its functions, its presets, and the little track I made using this plugin in this video. So, when you open the plugin, you have this interface. It's not the best looking interface, I know, but the sounds are really good and like really have this nostalgic techno feeling. So you can either go to the presets or you can use the sample folder here to make your own presets. You can just drag and drop it over here and then you have like a sample in here. Right now, this is like kind of one of these standard piano steps. But you could also, for example, load the T99. I think you all know the sound. This is like a really iconic techno step sound. And I will now just go through a few presets to show you what this plugin is capable of. Pretty famous, but I don't think it's for techno. This is like more the Euro house stuff. Yeah, we all know this one. This is like the really famous Juno Hoover. Also like a pretty dope techno sound, could also be used like in a break with a low pass or something. A different version of the T99 step. In my opinion, a really sick and unique sound, like to put some atmosphere in the drop. Yeah, so that are the presets. There are like a lot more, like some weird vocal stuff, and yeah, you can just go through it if you have downloaded it. I will now be talking about the functions that you have in the plugin itself. You can control the volume, you can control the pitch envelope, you can control the filter, and you can also like reverse it to make some reverses into your drop. There is a delay function in the plugin, and yeah, I think that's it. It's pretty simple, and I would suggest only using this for the basic sound and then for editing using your channel mixer. Okay, so this basically explains the plugin, and I will now play a track that I just made like quickly for this tutorial to showcase the plugin. So yeah, that's the little techno track I made using the Rave Generator. If you want to download this FLP, I will put it in the description, so you can get it on Gumroad. I think this plugin is really helpful for making techno, for example, like Charlotte de Witt does, and it really has all the old school sounds you're looking for. And I will also put the download link to the plugin in the description. I hope this helps you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Thanks!